Today we're going to bring a pack of 12 recessed lights, but we're going to set one up so you guys can see as a demo. Now the beautiful thing about this, if you have an existing area, it's 5 inches to 6 inches. This is a perfect coverage for it. Now in fact they have these already, and these are the stretchable ones that you could read. They're flexible. Now if you have existing light bulbs and you want to make any changes to it, they also include the actual socket for the light bulbs. All right, so you can just screw this one in, the existing one, and then just replace it with this one. All right, so this is a 5 to 6 inches when to set it up, and it's also dimmable. It's 120 volts and very simple to set up. If you don't want to do any electrical work, you could always have this as an option. So this is a plus. If you don't want to cut any cables or anything like that, you got live, the black one, and neutral, the white one. So we're going to set it up. We don't have to do anything but just to screw this into a light bulb socket pretty much, and that's it. Let's set it up here. All right, something very important that you guys need to know when you're adjusting the light, right? Because it has different it fluctuates from different lumens. So we're gonna show you how to turn it on and off. So if you guys can see them here, you got the 5000K all the way to 2700. All right, so let's turn it on so you guys can see it and change on the fly. All right, right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skipped one, but I'm gonna turn off the lights here so you guys can see how bright it is. All right, so we're gonna start from the bottom to the top. All right, and that's the first one in the bottom, showing lighter. That's the brightest. So the control is down here, if you guys can see it. So if you don't like it, you want a little bit more yellowish area, I'll show you just a little bit. I'll show you guys changing the colors all the way down to white, going back down again. That's very simple.